In this lesson, we are going to find the area of triangles. This lesson is intended for the 6th grade, and it is created by Mackenzie Haas. Here is some vocabulary that you need to know before we begin this lesson. One vocabulary word is area. Area is the size of the surface. The next vocabulary word we have is altitude. Altitude is the height of the figure. The area formula for a triangle is area equals 1/2 base times height. Here we have a right triangle with the sides already all labeled for us. We know this is a right triangle because it creates a 90-degree angle. This side is the leg, this side is another leg, and this side is the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is always across from the 90-degree angle in a right triangle. Now we are going to find the area of this right triangle. So we know that the area formula for a triangle is 1/2 base times height. And they already gave us all the sides, so this will make it a little easier. So area equals 1/2 base times height. Now the base in this problem is 72. So we'll put 72 right there. Put that in parentheses. And we're going to multiply the base times the height, which is already given to us, and the height is 21. The first thing we're going to do is multiply 72 times 21, and that would equal 1,512. So now area equals 1/2 1,512. And now we're going to take 1,512 and divide that into a half. So after we do that, the area of this right triangle equals 756. And never forget to use your units, which in this case is meters. So the area of this right triangle is 756 meters. This triangle is a little different than the previous one because this one technically is not a right triangle. So for this one we have to find the altitude, which they have already done for us. The altitude again is the height. So here is the altitude of this triangle. So now to find the area of this triangle, again the area formula for a triangle is area equals 1/2 base times height. So area would equal 1/2 base times height. Here is the base. This whole thing is the base. But as we can see, the altitude cuts this one big triangle into two separate triangles. So what we have to do is add this plus this, because the 8 inches is for this separate triangle and the 20 inches is only for this separate triangle. So the area would be 28 inches times 15 divided by 1/2. I got the 28 because I added this, and the 15 inches because this is the altitude or the height. So when I multiply 28 inches times 15 inches, I get area equals 1/2 of 420. And half of 420 is 210. So the area of this whole triangle is 210 inches. Here is another triangle where we had to find the altitude. So the altitude is from this point down until it reaches to this point of the triangle. So to start off the area for this triangle, The area, again, formula is area equals 1/2 base times height. So the base is this piece right here, which is 75.8, and then the height, again, is the altitude, which is 29.2, as you can see right here. So we have the formula as area equals 1/2 of 75.8 times 29.2. To multiply those two, you get area equals 1/2 of 2,213.36. And half of 2,213.36 is 1,106.5. So this is the area of this. Thanks for watching.